A proven and powerful way to grow your business is by utilizing the services of an expert marketing consultant. However, there are 3 common concerns business owners have when considering hiring a marketing consultant to help grow their business. Do these sound familiar to you? Number 1. What exactly does a marketing consultant do? Number 2. My business is different. Will working with a consultant actually work for me? Number 3. Will I get the return on investment to make it worth my time? If you have any of these concerns, we want to help you by giving you the free report titled Everything You Must Know Before Hiring a Marketing Consultant. This is a clearly written guide that will help you discover the truth about what marketing consultants actually do, how they can help almost any business, and everything else you need to know to make the best decision possible. Simply complete the form on this page and download your free report now.